Welcome back to my mathematical lectures about complex number. In this lecture I will show you how to find square root from 6i minus 8. So, as I've told you before, the general equation is square root from a plus ib is equal plus minus square root from module z plus a divided by 2 and plus I times b over module b times square root from module z minus a divided by 2. Very simple equation. So, let's count module of this complex number. So it will be square root from 6 squared, which is 36, plus 8 squared, which is 64, and it's equal square root from 100, or just 10. Okay, now b over the module of b is equal, so b is equal 6, so it will be 6 divided by module of 6, and it will be 1. So x and y will be both the same sign. So module z plus a divided by 2 is equal 10 plus a is minus 8. So plus minus 8 divided by 2. It will be 2 over 2 is 1, and square root from 1 is 1. And square root from module z minus a divided by 2 is equal 10 minus 8 divided by 2. And it's equal 18 divided by 2. And it equal square root from 9, or 3. So the final answer is square root from 6i minus 8 is equal plus minus 1 plus 3i. That's it. As simple as that. If you like my lecture, please subscribe to my channel and wait for new interesting mathematical and Python video. Thank you. Bye.